Most people don't fail the SHRM-CP because they lack knowledge. They fail because the real exam forces decisions under pressure. That's exactly why we built AI-powered SHRM practice inside Edureify. This isn't passive learning. You're solving real SHRM-style scenario questions designed to test judgment, not memorization. Every question trains how HR leaders actually think: employee relations, compliance, workplace conflict, performance management, and ethical decision-making. And here's where it changes everything. After every answer, the AI mentor breaks down why the correct option works, why the others fail, and what SHRM is actually testing behind the question. So instead of guessing, you build exam instincts. Most candidates waste months reading content without knowing if they're truly ready. Edureify continuously analyzes your weak areas, tracks performance patterns, and adapts practice based on your mistakes. It's like having a private SHRM coach available 24/7. You can practice anywhere, one question at a time, focused, interactive, and designed to simulate real SHRM exam pressure. No boring lectures, no endless PDFs, just deliberate practice that compounds. If you're serious about passing the SHRM-CP on your first attempt, stop studying passively. Train the way the actual exam tests you. Start practicing with AI-powered SHRM prep on Edureify today.